As a teacher, I have assigned my students to create a presentation and then give that back to the class many times. And one way that I have had them do that is through a PowerPoint. Another way that I've had them do that is through an iMovie, just because that is the movie creating software that we had on our computers. But I think that we have a lot more options now. One that I really like is called Thinglink. And I'm going to show you how to use Thinglink and how it can be used for presentations. You would just go to thinglink.com and then log in. You do just have to have a free account. And it very quickly got me in. I'm going to show you very quickly what a Thinglink looks like. So I have various images in here, and I'll just pull this one up. Okay, you see all of these dots all over the place. These are links to different websites and YouTube videos, and I've just uploaded these pictures and then added the links in. So to do that, I'm going to hit create. And I'm going to do one a little bit differently. I can upload, import it from Facebook, Flickr, or use a web address. I am just going to go ahead and upload one. So I'm going to go into my pictures, and I am going to grab this picture of the Statue of Liberty. Click open. And the reason why I've chose this is because I've recently created a lesson in which students would describe what symbols they associate with America. So this one is perfect for that. I am going to title it Symbols of America. Okay, and then I am just going to X out of that right there. And you notice that my cursor is showing a hash mark right now. If I click, then it's going to put a tag. These are the things that we're going to link. Right now my icon looks like a star. I could change it if I wanted to. The default is this one right here. I want my students to present using all of those presentation skills, like using eye contact, appropriate voice, that sort of thing. So the links serve as a reference for them, and so that way they can share it later. This is not going to be the kind of presentation where kids can just read the screen. This is going to be something that they're going to have to be able to know what they're talking about, and the links are just reference. So I'm going to go to this site here. It has a nice little article about the Statue of Liberty. So I'm just going to copy that. And then I am going to go back into Thinglink, and I'm going to paste that right there. Now I hit save. Okay, now I'm going to come up here, and I'm going to put another icon, and this time I want to use this YouTube video. So now I'm going to paste that in there, and I'm going to hit save. Now notice what happens whenever I hover over those after I've saved them. Let me go in here. The video will come up, and the link, you can just click right there and it will hyperlink there. I'm not quite done yet. So I clicked on edit again so you guys could see that. And right here, I'm going to click, and this time I'm going to put in some text. Remember, I'm talking about what symbols I'm associating with America. So I'm going to put that right there and write actually, I want to capitalize that. The Statue of Liberty speaks freedom to me. You just hit Save Tag, and now that's in there. And one more. The Statue of Liberty is recognized around the world. Okay. I can also link to other images if I want to, if I have the URL to those. Now I'm going to hit save, and there it is. There's my text right here, and then those are my links. Alright, so where it says touch, that means that if you were to see this and you liked it, you know how we can favorite statuses and like statuses, a touch is just a collection of things that we like. And then if I want to share it, I'm going to click share. Here's the link to it. I can embed it in my website, or I could also share it using social media. So students and teachers both have a lot of ways that they can communicate using this, and it's a great way to incorporate visual literacy into the typical report.